Oh my god, bitch, a hurricane coming.
Girl, no, it's
Yes,
not.
it is, bitch. Look outside. It's a tornado.
We good. We inside.
Oh, bitch, you suicidal.
Shadika is about to be a hurricane.
Okay, and?
Bitch, you not scared?
No, bitch, I wanna die.
Hey, me too, bitch.
Hey, hey, hey. Go back, Reagan. Go back, Reagan.
Oh my god, bitch, they said the hurricane coming tonight. Oh my god, bitch, we gotta go and get food. Bitch, we gotta find a place to stay. Okay, bitch, and we gonna eat on the way there. Wow, you a fat ass bitch.
Shaduki, they said it's about to be a hurricane.
As it should.
Bitch, what?
No school, bitch.
Bitch, you wanna die?
Do they got school in heaven?
I don't think so. The hell?
Well, bitch, I don't really see the problem here.
Oh my god, it's a hurricane. Why, Lord? Why?
Nigga, calm down. That's the Jehovah's Witness, bitch.
Calm your ass down.